Hello friends and greetings for the day. Welcome back to the tutorial on ISTQB Advance Test Manager certification. We are getting into a new chapter, that is chapter 5, improving the test process. And as a part of this chapter, we'll be covering a lot of improvement ideas in order to follow some of the standard methods to improvise the test process within the organization. And here you can quickly have a look like what kind of options we'll be looking forward to cover as a part of this chapter. Some of them are still existing, but some of them are very well known and renowned way of improvising your test process based on the standards, and definitely a lot of organizations are making use of them. So we must be aware of these things by being a test manager, because you may work at any organization who might be following any of these business models in order to improvise the test process. As a part of this tutorial, we are just getting introduced to this chapter and understanding that what you will be expecting in this chapter. As you know that 5.1 is not a part of our syllabus any longer, so you will not find that in the official syllabus. But yes, as I have to talk about it, I'm just doing it as a piece of courtesy there. Now, this section, introduction, basically gives you an overview of the entire chapter, that what you can expect, what you can actually understand by going through this chapter. So once established, an organization overall test process should undergo continuous improvement. And of course, there's no question asked to that. No matter what kind of organization you are, what kind of people you may have in terms of the test team, but continuous improvement is always required, because at any point of time you may be doing some of your own mistakes and you want to improvise that in order to meet a better expectations and deliver better quality in the given timeline. So that's where improvising of the process would definitely be added advantage, and we always try to gather as much as information possible in order to see the room of improvement within your process. In this chapter, generic improvement issues are first covered, followed by an introduction to some specific models which can be used for the test process improvement. A test manager should assume there will be driving force behind the test process changes and improvements, and so should be familiar with the industry accepted techniques discussed in this chapter hereafter. So of course, that's a core responsibility of the test manager in order to improvise the test process, and at the same time having that analysis being done to identify the areas which need the improvement, because not every time all the chapters would need all the particular corner of the process would need an improvement, but we need to analyze and identify those critical areas where actually improvements can happen. So that's where it is very important for the test manager to peep into the process and find out those critical areas where you can have room for improvement and work on it by using certain models, which will be discussed in this particular chapter. And of course, this is just a test manager certification level, that is at advanced. You do have an expert level certification that is about improving the test process altogether. So this is completely on the expert level. So after you're done with the advanced level certification, you can look forward to the expert level certification to add any more information about the same. So that's the third layer of the certification of ISTQB, and you can always opt for it being certified with advanced level. Well, that was just a quick and short simple video to talk about the introduction of this chapter. We'll be getting ahead with the content in very next tutorial, so stay tuned for that. So that's all from this particular tutorial team. Should you have anything else, feel free to comment below. I'm always there to address your queries and answer them well. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, keep understanding the context. Thanks for watching the video team, and happy learning.